Okay, I'm at my sister's dentist office, and there's 4 Carrier air conditioners. Carrier Performance Series air conditioner, and there's the Carrier logo, and it has a Puron sticker. And this one is from 2005. You can't read that. 2005, and it's I don't see any tonnage calculation on there, but there's down there. It has a compressor blanket. And this is just an air conditioner. Here's another Carrier Performance Series around here, and right here on the building is a giant vent thingy. Here's another Carrier. This has a compressor blanket also. See that nice and clear? This one's also from 2005, and it's a 4-ton. I couldn't calculate tonnage on that one. Here's the 4-ton, and then there's 2 more right down here. And here, these are another Carrier Performance Series, and another. This one is huge. This one is really, really big. And this is 2005. This one has a compressor blanket too. And it's a 3-ton. Then this one is extremely big. Oh my gosh. I have to see how many tons this one is. This is 2005, and it is a 5-ton. It's a 5-ton. And there's the compressor. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these all have GE fan motors. There's the GE logo. This one also has a GE, and so do those 2. Down there, I looked, but I didn't mention it on the video. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video of 4 Carrier Central air conditioners at my sister's pediatric, I can't talk, dentist office. Have a nice day.